In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter out free elements in Canva. This is really useful if you have a Canva Pro subscription and you want to make sure you're only seeing Pro elements, or if you simply want to focus on a specific type of asset without scrolling through everything. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open up your design in Canva, or start a new one with any template or custom size you like. Once your canvas is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You will see the main toolbar with options like templates, elements, uploads, and so on. To begin, click on Elements. This is where Canva stores graphics, shapes, icons, stickers, photos, and a lot more. So it's the best place to start when you want to control what you're browsing. After you've clicked on Elements, you'll see a panel open up with different categories and a search bar at the top. Now, to filter out the free content and focus only on Pro items, look for the filter icon. This is usually found near the search bar. It might look like a small funnel or slider style icon. Go ahead and click on that filter icon. This will open a menu or panel where you can refine what Canva shows you. Inside the filter options, you'll see different ways to narrow down your search, such as types of elements or other attributes. What you're looking for here is the option that separates free and Pro content. Find the setting or toggle labeled Pro. Click on the Pro option so that it's selected. By choosing Pro, you're telling Canva that you only want to see elements included in the Pro library and to hide the free-only items from the results. Once you've selected Pro, you're not done until you confirm the change. Look for the Apply button at the bottom or corner of the filter panel. Click on Apply to save your filter settings. As soon as you do this, Canva will refresh the elements shown in the panel, and you should now see only Pro elements whenever you search or browse within Elements. From here, you can type anything into the search bar, like icons, or arrows, or abstract shapes, and your results will stay filtered to Pro as long as that filter is active. If you ever want to go back to seeing everything, just reopen the filter, change the selection, and apply again.